This happens to be Eric's anniversary. The kids are here and his wife is here. And he wanted his wife to know that he dedicates his dead stick to her. Does he have enough energy to get to the surface here? And the airplane continues to roll to a stop where our brave volunteer is going to catch the spinner. From a mile above us, look at that, whoop, whoop, a little wiggly wobbly. That's because it's a tail dragger. He wants to see where she is. Oh, he's got lots of smash here. I think he has aced it. Got the tail down now.